way to
Comments.
yeah for housing welcome. So oh yeah, there's Lauren, and there's Amy and Charlotte. Yeah, and then we've got onboarding. Yeah.
And then we're relaxing.
Yeah, we're not going to Walmart ever again because we spend like hours there accidentally all the time.
No, we went to Walgreens yesterday.
Oh, Walgreens.
And we were like, we'll just go have a look. We were there for like 2 hours.
Yeah, Joanne and Mr. Weiser roofed us in though, so.
Oh, it's a disco.
Oh, it's a disco dance. I'm going in front of the camera. Oh wow, hectic. Hello.
Disco guys.
Disco vibes. I think they're just prepping us for what's about to happen. We'll see. Yay! Woo! 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 If your apartment doesn't have a recycling, you can get one at the front desk. Woo! Hey, the housing meeting wasn't actually that boring. It was kind of just. It was over an hour.
It was like admin.
It was admin, and then yeah, the lights were a bit like too much for the start. It wasn't that great. And now we're going to pick up our bank cards,
Yay!
and then we've got immigration.
So we can get paid.
Get paid. Lost in Patterson car. We are oh, there's laundry. That's a fancy little laundry building. They have a laundry building, suckers.
So we got lucky, I guess.
We're gonna get our cards, but Patterson's really nice. Look at that. Hey, what?
We're picking up our cars.
Picking up our cards. Did I say it like that? That's how I normally talk now.
Yeah,
That is me.
It's just like, I'm not this.
Service center cookies. Is that good?
Please use the tongs. Wow.
They look like raisins. There's a trap. No, sprinkles.
I want a cookie.
Chocolate chips. Oops, I just touched them. Hi, gave Jess her ears, so she's got them on now. We're going to
Onboarding.
I
Onboarding.
was going to say immigration, but we did that.
Or casting, if you're American group.
But not in the casting building. I want to go to the pretty casting building, but we'll try to find it some other time. We got our training schedules. I start on Saturday, and I've got Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. What have you got?
Saturday, Sunday.
Oh.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
They're all
I do have a
different.
third one, but they haven't told me where it is yet.
Yeah, I think you're going to start work.
Yeah.
How
Or
exciting.
you'll get like another schedule. Holy cow. Maybe they like test you in the training and it's like if you're good enough.
Oh, your car.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, but we're all different, so I'm excited to start and go to Disney University.
Yeah.
Get my learn on.
You're probably like,
Just got our first Florida little rain
Yeah.
stormy thing on the
Yeah.
oh, there it is. On the way back to the car from the shoe shop, which we spent too long.
my mum died.
My hair's alright. I put my bag over my head, so
Look.
yeah, look at that. That is strong. I cannot focus that. Hey guys, what's up?
No, the lady told me I missed it.
Oh, look at that little brown one.
Amy.
Oh, bye guys. Been nice. I had a good time talking to you.
So cool.
If my dad was here, he'd be like, oh, let's take him home and eat dinner. My dad's a great bloke.
I love that. Look,
keeping
Mama
it real.
Duck goes, and then everybody else goes.
Except for
the
that crazy
lion.
kid over there. He don't care. Little buddy, go get your family. Oh, look at him scraggling behind. I hope so.
Mama's leading the way.
We should accompany them. Little duckies crossing the road. Don't you dare. Oh, look at them. My heart. And there's a squirrel. Wow, it's so wild, man. Oh, they ran so fast. My heart. It is not 10, and these two, oh, it's 9:30, and Charlotte and, I was going to say Catherine. That's going to happen though. I always call people with short names by their long name. Are going to the pool to swim. Yeah, you are. Where are you? And someone's running around on a sofa just because I'm looking. And yeah, they're going to swim. We've got traditions tomorrow morning. They don't, but I'm just going to go check out the pool because they had a pool party movie thing showing Monsters Inc. No, not Monsters Inc. 3. Toy Story 3. Oh, there's so many people there, and I'm in my pajamas. Oh well. Oh, the movie's on there. No copyright. Copyright Disney. They've decided this pool's too inferior, so we're going to the other one.
No, it's swimming, and then it's gonna be real weird if we get in there and we're like splash, splash.
Splish splash, having a great old time. I haven't seen the other pool yet, but yeah, I don't know if I'd like to sit in the pool and what. I guess the movie's only like an hour and a half, but I don't know if I'd like to sit in there the whole movie.
You get very pruny.
Yeah, you dry out.
You need a floaty.
Oh yes! We found the other pool.